where they have registered a FIR on Pratima Coutinho, the state Congress president. They have registered a FIR against me on the basis of complaint filed by one person called Ankit Salgaonkar from Anjuna, wherein the complaint is like Fathoda police files FIR against Goa Pradesh Mahila Congress President Pratima Coutinho, and he says for hurting religious sentiments under section 295A and 285. The complainant is Ankit Salgaonkar has claimed that I have hurt the sentiments during the protest against the fuel hike in South Goa. As everybody knows that in this pandemic, the rates of fuels such as petrol and diesel are gone so high that I can say even the dollar is become less, but the petrol prices are high. Nowhere in the world you will see the petrol and diesel prices being so high, but today the BJP government has failed somewhere and they have hiked the fuel prices like anything, especially during this COVID time. We had an agitation, we had a protest on the 1st of July, and where we had a mock funeral, the way Hindus have, carrying a motorcycle, a motorbike on a pyre, and we went saying, Ram Naam Satya Hai, Ram Naam Satya Hai. I repeat, we only kept saying Ram Naam Satya Hai. Wherein I addressed the media, I went and met the South District Collector Ajit Roy, handed over my memorandum, and then took the bike, put it in the rickshaw. We finished with the agitation. Now this man says, surprising is that they have put a FIR registered on me within a day. Allowed sections like 295A and 285, and saying that I have heard the sentiments of Hindu brothers and sisters. Now I would like to know, the video had gone viral. Each and every Goan, every person of the state, or maybe in the country also, have seen that video, and they are finding nothing wrong in that. Because what did I say in that? I said Ram Naam Satya. I had Hindu Mahilas in my committee. One of the Hindu Mahilas is sitting here. I had Muslim sisters there. I had Catholic sisters there. And nobody thought that we were doing something wrong. If I've said only Ram Naam Satya, which means I'm glorifying Lord Rama. I'm glorifying Lord Rama. आम्ही Lord Ram जो असा, ताका हांवें ताजे जयकार केला. I glorified him that there's nothing truth, but only Lord Rama is truth. So where I've heard the sentiments, on the contrary, you should appreciate me that I've glorified a Hindu God Rama. हांवें कितें हिंदू समाजाक गाड्यो मारल्या, हेट स्पीच केल्या. अरे ती तुमची साध्वी कोण ती सनातन संस्थाची साध्वी आयिल्ली गोंयांत कोंडा, आनी ती सांगता घर में तलवार स्टॉक करके रखना चाहिए, पुलिस और लॉ का विश्वास पे नहीं रहना चाहिए. जो बीफ खाते हैं उनको तलवार से मारना है. जिहादी जो करते हैं, व्हाट इज जिहादी? When Muslim and Hindu girl or boy gets married, interreligion, she says that they should be shot. They had a big Sanatan Samvela hanga ashille khay ponda, and that time where was Ankit? I want to know one thing. Babare Ankit Salgaonkar, from where are you? What is your background? In this 2 days time, I've got in touch. Your neighbors have called me. Your people from your constituency have spoken about you. I have been given the background from where you come. So I would like to ask you on this public forum, I would like to ask you in front of the media, my question is, what is your contribution to the society? Have you worked any time for the society? Have you worked? Have you given your time? Have you sacrificed your profession, your children, like me? It is very easy to go for name. If you want some publicity at the cost of Advocate Pratima Coutinho, you tell me. I would tell you to wear something. बायलेचो घागरा चोली दिवपाचें तुका आनी म्हज्या एजिटेशनाक व्हरपाचें. If you are power hungry for the fame, don't listen to your godfathers and be a puppet in the hands of your godfathers. अरे येका Ankit Salgaonkar goes ahead, and it was a breaking news. I saw on the channel. It was a breaking news. He's saying she has hurt the sentiments of our Hindus. I am a Kattar Hindu. Eka Pratima Kutinok Booth Shikopak Jai. I will see that FIR is registered on her. I will see that she is behind bars. अरे कोणाच्या प्रेशराचेर तूं उलयता अंकीत? तूं चीत मरे, पॅन्डेमीक चल्ला, लोकां कडेन हांगा पयशे ना जेवपाक खावपाक, जॉबलेस जाल्ले आसा भुरगे, हांगा भाडें दिवपाक तांकां पयशे ना, दे डोंट हॅव मनी टू पे देयर रेंट्स, दे डोंट हॅव जॉब्स, people have left their respective states and gone to their original houses. Here there's pandemic and there's electricity bills have been shooted up, where I have gone with my mahilas with a coffin. That time no Catholic came. Are you trying to say that Catholics and Muslims are tolerant? I am telling you, 99% of Hindus have called me and messaged me and said, Pratima, you have not done anything wrong. You have not hurt the sentiments of आमचे हिंदूचे sentiments hurt करू ना. But this boy is trying to somewhere defame you, tarnish you, because he is become a puppet of so-called RSS and I guess the government, the BJP government. म्हाका तुमी सांगा हांवें कितें चूक केला राम राम सत्य म्हणून? I have just glorified the Lord. अरे if you go to see, it's a clear-cut case that he has been instigated to put a FIR on me. You all just imagine over a night, case complaint is registered and FIR is registered. Here there are so many cases in Goa, so many cases where girls are raped, where women are molested, where there's murder taking place. Last month only we had a murder in Santa Cruz. There are so many cases in Goa. Father Bismarck died, his soul is still crying. His soul is crying for justice. Everyone knows. 7-year-old girl was raped in the school in Vasco. It's been so many years. Hashap Keliti case, government was involved in that. Parents have not got justice. The girl had gone through trauma. She will always be in trauma. Where are you, Ankit? Maka te Ankitak visarpak jay. Ame wrong kide kele re? Just fighting for Goans is wrong. Ankit, you may be a Kattar Hindu, but all Hindus are not following you. If you are a Kattar Hindu, I'll tell you one thing. Why are you wearing jeans and t-shirt? Why are you wearing shirt and pant? Ghal mare dhoti ani bhav. Why you are copying the Western style if you are a Kattar Hindu? Amche goy munta te peace loving. We have never discriminated. Hindu, Muslim, Catholic, koni jaun. We have never discriminated. We are all peace loving. Otherwise, I would have had in my committee only Catholic women. Why are there Hindu women and Muslim women in my committee? When I go to fight for agitations, I go for some ladies. कोणाचे आधार कार्डाचे हे ना, कोणाचे home housewife schemes people have not gone. I have gone and fought. Para teachers. I have never seen, this lady is Hindu or Muslim or Catholic. I have gone and fought for a girl in Sangay who was molested. I am facing trials. I am facing FIRs in the children's court. I am facing trials in the MAPSA courts for these para teachers. But I never thought, Hindu bail, Catholic bail or Muslim bail. I never discriminated. I took and I did my job. And you are talking about this? It's shame on Ankit Salgaonkar. Stop being a puppet. There are people who have lost their jobs. They don't have money here. तुका पॅकेजी पावले आसतल्यो RSS कडल्यान म्हणून तुजें पोट भरलां, म्हणून तुज्या बायकाक फ्युलाचें पोट भरलां, सो तुका ते पिंच कळना म्हणून. दुसरें म्हणल्यार म्हाका विचारपाचें आसा, ऑन वॉट बेजीस डीड द पुलीस FIR द रेजिस्टर केलें? हांगा कितले व्हडले व्हडले मर्डर आनी हे जाल्यार तुमी आपयतात आनी रोखडे कॉम्प्रोमायज करपाक भोंवता मरे दोनी पार्टींनी घेवन. तुमी ह्या अंकिताचे बॅकग्रावंड पळोवना, ताजें इंटेंशन पळोवना, ताजें कार्य कितें आसा तें पळोवना. पुलिसांक खबर आसा प्रतिमा कोणाक लागून मरता तें. प्रतिमा आपल्या आवयक लागून वा भयणीक लागून झगडना, गोंयच्या भुरग्यांक लागून, गोंयच्या लोकांक लागून झगडटा. तुमी ओवरनायट रेजिस्टर केली. आय अंडरस्टँड, आय कॉल्ड अप द पुलीस द अदर डे, द बिफोर yesterday, and I asked them, is this right that you all have filed a FIR? Was it necessary to put a FIR on me? Are you all trying to suppress my voice? There was one person who told me nicely, I will not disclose his name. Police officer told me, I will not disclose his name because I don't want him to be in trouble. He told me, Pratima, see, we also have got families. We have wives and families to look after. Tomorrow if we are suspended or transferred, आमचे फ्युचर कितें? पयलेच for the government we have to pay in lakhs for the jobs. And if summers we are not bowing down to their pressures, what will be the fate of our families? And then my reply was, Baba, you tell me one thing. I respect and I don't blame you all. I understand you all are bowing towards the pressure of the government. I know this is a instigated case. It is politically motivated case. And I asked the police officer that, tell me one thing. I understand tumka pot asa, tumchi family asa, fine. But are you all working for the government or are you all here to serve the society? Police is there to serve the country and the states and not the government. Government keeps changing. Today it's BJP, tomorrow it can be Congress. So I want to tell, even if any party is tomorrow force you all or try to suppress you all, please sing them, show them, no, we are for the country, respect your worthy. I just asked him that, suppose tomorrow something goes wrong with your child, God forbid, nothing happens. But I asked him, if something goes wrong with your daughter and she's been molested, or your sister or your wife is molested or something goes wrong, are you going to listen to the pressures that when the leaders say, na, case काढून घे, बंद कर, तो आपल्या वळखीचो कोणे केला तें? Or will you stand for your child and your wife or your sister? He had no words. He said, Pratima, I sympathize with you, but try to understand my plight. So, maybe, but I have told them, if you all are supporting for a wrong cause, and if you all are going to listen to them, follow the orders of the BJP or the RSS, then I told the police, if you all want to compromise, then I say God only knows and God only saves Goa and Goans. These were my words. आता आमी पळय हांगा इतलें हाडलां वो अंकीत सालगांवकराची हांव तुमकां रामायण ताची हिस्ट्री हांव सांगतां. इतलो बरो म्हूण दाखोवपाक सोदता तो. पयलें म्हणटा तो अंकीत सालगांवकराचें पळयात. हांवें नोट्स प्रिपेर करून हाडल्या. आय विल टेल यू ऑल अकॉर्डिंगली. Just have a look at this Ankit Salgaonkar who has posted on his FB page. Okay? Look at this post. You all only decide for yourselves. वो अंकित हांगा कितें बरयलां अंकितान? पळयात, काय बरी तलवार घेवन आसा तो. आपूण म्हणटा तो कट्टर हिंदू अशें आसतात. तूं कट्टर हिंदू आशिल्लो, रिलिजनाचे सेंटिमेंट समज तुजे हर्ट केल्ले, इफ प्रतिमा कुटिनो had hurt the sentiments, you would have been with Lord Rama or Saraswati or Ma Durga. Are you are with a sword, you are with a talwar. His profile pic itself says that what kind of mentality he has, what kind of mentality Ankit Salgaonkar has got. He is holding a weapon which is saying he is trying to create hatred. This is a symbol and sign of his hatred. Hold this. Secondly, he is showing this picture. This picture is showing of my leader, Srimati Sonia Gandhi, who sacrificed when her husband was killed. She sacrificed. She could have packed up bags and gone back with her kids. But she sacrificed. She stood and brought the party in power. And she's still working. He's written, her name is Antonio Maino. Are you brave enough to share this? This post shows that he is a party hater. Anti-party. Congress, he hates Congress party. Yeah, postacher kalta. That he is trying to tarnish the image of Sonia Gandhi. If she is born and if her name is Antonio Maino, so is it. She is born with that name. But today in India, she is Sonia Gandhi. We have to respect her. What wrong is that? So he shows, if he is doing this, if he is not sparing my Congress leader Sonia Gandhi, why he will not tarnish my image? For him it's nothing. Thirdly, हांव तुमकां दाखोवपाक सोदता आयज तो कशें रिलिजनाचेर आनी कितें खेळटा तो. गोवन पेस्टर्स म्हणटा तो गोवन पेस्टर्स फॉलोवर टेस्टेड पॉझिटिव्ह while attending prayer. Means you are coming on Catholic religion. Catholic लोकांनी तुजेर आयले, FBचेर तुवें पोस्ट घातला की लोक खंय प्रेयर सेशनाक घेतले आनी तांकां कोवीड जालें म्हूण. So you are accusing and trying to tarnish the image and defaming a priest. Have you gone to see if they have got it from the priest? It is very easy to sit and defame others. See this post. See this. Next. तो सांगता, listen to this. Kattar Hindu is talking. Ankit Salgaonkar. One more added in the list of Yamraj. Now the number is 20. So तूं आतां कितें सांगपाक सोदता? म्हणल्यार तूं आनी लोकांक डिमोरलायज करता. MHA गायडलायन्स कितें म्हणटात? गव्हर्मेंटान कितें सांगलां, गव्हर्मेंटान सांगलां की मोबायलाचेर मेसेज येता कोवीड जालें ते मनशाक तुमी कुशीन घालपाक शिरी पडना, बट यू हॅव टू गीव लव एंड सपोर्ट. ते मागून येना. इट्स नॉट एड्स कितें पातक करून जावना. ते कोणाकूय येवपाक शकता. अंकीत सालगांवकर, इट कॅन बी फॉर यू ऑल्सो टुमॉरो. This is a thing what he has shown, that the statement hurts the sentiments of all the COVID-19 patients. Whoever in the hospital today, 1,500 people, you have heard the sentiments of them. And by doing this, who are going for the treatment of COVID-19, who are in ESA hospital and all over, you have heard their sentiments. And I feel that he should be booked under MHA guidelines for posting such a post on the Facebook.
What do you mean by that 20?
त्यांना 20 नंबर जाल्लो न्ही आनी एकलो एड जालो तो म्हणटा वन मोर एड इट फॉर द नंबर ऑफ 20. यमराज म्हळ्यार मरपाक रेडी आतां. कळ्ळें तुका? एक्झॅक्टली सो. नेक्स्ट ही सेज आय विल स्टार्ट हिलिंग पीपल अगेन वन्स कोरोना स्टॉप्स. हियर अगेन ही इज ट्रायंग टू डिफेम अ पादरी, अ प्रिस्ट. See, look at this post, what he has posted on the FB. He is saying, I will start healing people again once Corona stops. So whom are you insulting? Are you not insulting the Catholics? Are you not insulting our priest? कितले तुजेर आतां कॅथलिक्सान कितले कंप्लेन घालपाच्यो अंकीत सालगांवकर? He should be answerable, because this statement of Ankit has not only defamed, he has done a mockery of the priest and the fathers in Goa who are serving the society. And they are not, and he's saying they are not been able to treat now. So the post is saying, once the corona stops, I will start treating you. So it is up to you all to judge now. तितलेच न्ही, हो मनीस कितलो तो पळयात. आनी एक पोस्ट मे 14 घातला अंकीत सालगांवकरान. आफ्टर वन seafarer found positive, all anti-nationalists of the Goa are on silent mode. I repeat, after one seafarer found positive, all anti-nationalists of Goa are on silent mode. So by saying this, who has given Ankit right to say that Goan brothers are anti-nationalist? What he is trying to say? हा कोणाक? हांगा ह्या माचेर पळय मुस्लीम बसला, कॅथलीक बसला, हिंदू बसला. म्हळ्यार तूं आमकां सगळ्यांक इन्सल्ट करपाक सोदता? म्हळ्यार आमी एंटी नॅशनलिस्ट? अरे बूक तुका करपाक जाय खरें मतान. दुसरें म्हणल्यार आनेक ह्योर आनेक ते पोर्चुगीजाचेर म्हणिल्लें हें पळय, पोर्तुगालीज बॅक टू लॉर्ड परशुराम भुमी खंय. हेजी लँग्वेज पळयात. कोणाचो स्टॅम्प पडूना गोंयाचेर. सगळ्या समाजाचे लोक रावतात. वी आर इन हिंदुस्तान, वी आर इन भारत, वी आर इन इंडिया. So many religions people, regardless of caste and creed, are staying here. He is saying Portugal is back to Lord Parshuram Bhumi. Valor to them as they remember our Savior in their very difficult time. We welcome them with huge respect. Har Har Mahadev. Kaun asa? Who is a dividing force? Who is talking? He is saying to our Goan seafarers, let me tell him, Portugalis, अरे तुझे सरकारा कडेन जॉब दिवपाक जावना म्हणून बापडे बायलेक आनी भुरग्यांक सोडून ते कामाक गेले. आनी इट इज द फूल रायट टू कम बॅक. हे आमचे जे गोंयचे भुरगे आसा पोर्चुगीज पासपोर्ट करून गेल्ले, थोडे कामाक गेल्ले आसा, दे स्टील हॅव द रायट. अरे ते बापडे पोटा लागून गेल्या. अनेक पोस्ट तेणें कितें म्हणलां जाणो, गोवन सी फेरर्स हू आर बॅक टू गोवा, दे पोस्ट हा वेकंट ऑन गोवा जेटीज. जेटीचेर तेणी काम करचें खंय नुस्तें विकपाचें. आतां हेजो हाजी कितली तेमा ती पळयात तुवें. ही इज ट्रायंग टू इन्सल्ट आर गोवन सी फेरर्स. अरे दे आर द sons of the soil, they are Goans. ते खंयचे दुसरे न्ही. आनी तो म्हणटा आफ्टर वन seafarer found positive, all anti-nationalists of Goa are on silent mode, as I've told. See these copies, what he has said. नेहरू जी बचाओ से नहीं, महिलाओं से प्यार करते थे. See, he is also a party hater, he is also a anti, आनी तो he is also म्हाका दिसता ताजे तकलेर खंय तरी चडिल्लें आसा ते RSS आइडियोलॉजी. पळय, नेहरू जी बच्चों से नहीं महिलाओं से प्यार करते थे और गोवा के लोग चिल्ड्रंस डे मनाते हैं. सी व्हाट अ पार्टी हेटर इज. सो ही इज टारगेटेड मी, ही इज ट्राइड टू टारगेट माय नेम, डिफेम मी, just to suppress Advocate Pratima Coutinho's voice. This all natkas what he has done, it is to suppress my voice, because I am speaking against the government. I am voicing out. Are in democracy, this one is saying, Modi is saying, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. I am also Beti of this nation. We are also Betis of this nation. But I want to ask you, I want to ask you one thing. Beti bachao, beti padhao. I'm also educated, highly educated. I've done my BCom, MA, LLB. Today I've sacrificed my profession, but I'm working for the society, for the people. Why I'm serving? लोकां खातीर, लोकांची कड आसा म्हूण काळजांत. तुज्या भाशेन न्ही रे. आनी here the government in the past has tried to suppress my voice by putting various complaints and FIRs on me. I am Pratima, let me tell you all. I am unstoppable. Nothing can demotivate me. Nothing can deactivate me. म्हजी कितलीं फकाणां उडयल्यार जाता. म्हाका नौटंकी क्वीन म्हणल्यार चलता, म्हाका ड्रामा क्वीन म्हणल्यार चलता, पूण उडगासान दवरात. तुमी जेन्ना म्हणटात तेन्ना तुमी ते अक्षर यूज करतात, तुमी ते वर्ड यूज करतात क्वीन म्हणून. एन येस, आय एम प्राऊड ऑफ गोवन्स who have termed me as Iron Lady of Goa. I'm proud to be called as an Iron Lady. And this iron will be showing you all. You all cannot suppress my voice. You all cannot demotivate me. I challenge the BJP. I challenge the RSS. I challenge these people. I challenge the party haters. I challenge these people who are trying to tarnish my image and defame me. You all put 100 of FIRs on me. I will stand strong. You all can rake me. You all can shake me. I will stand tall. My message. I will stand strong because I'm unstoppable. And that's what makes me Pratima. माझ्या आवय बापायन म्हाका नांव दवरलें प्रतिमा म्हणून. I may be a Catholic, but माझ्या आवय बापायन म्हाका नांव दवरलें प्रतिमा म्हणून. प्रतिमा बेत्सी कुतिनो. I may be a Catholic, but Betsy is second. But Hindu name is Sanskrit now म्हाका दवरलें because my parents also believe in the ideology. My mother's name is Alka Elizabeth. I'm Pratima Betsy. My elder sister is Priyanka Natalia Montero. Priyanka.